am not getting my son married in a barn. Do you know what happens in a barn? Animals live in a barn. My son is getting married. Why don't you understand? You don't have a proper ballroom where I can invite all my friends and be happy with them?
Post-pandemic era, you want a ballroom. People are going to suffocate and catch COVID.
Oh, nobody is catching
here
COVID.
It's fresh air.
No, this
You know,
is no. What
everybody,
fresh air?
nobody will,
Look at this,
nobody
is
will
all
feel,
dead.
nobody
All
feel
these
bad about
flowers
being
are
in a
dead.
homo wedding, feeling homophobic
Again,
because
you're
of the air.
Oh my God! You just stop
Clean
saying
fresh
homo
air.
right now.
Clean
You
fresh
stop.
air. Sorry, sorry guys.
You will literally sell a penny and call it $1. Kabhi
Sell a
sharam nahi
penny?
aati
How
aapko?
can you sell a penny?
How
can you? You can
ask
spend a
yourself.
penny. No. You can spend a penny. You cannot sell a penny.
Don't explain to
Sell
me
a penny.
anything. You're just
Sell a
doing
penny.
anything.
I'm doing this.
These
for
flowers
the
are
interest.
dead. Look at this.
Their
This is
kundalis.
shame.
Their kundalis say that this is the best venue
You
facing
don't worry
east.
about my son's
I told you the flowers are
kundali.
coming.
The flowers.
Flowers.
Are...
We
Ay,
can
what
even
you gonna do?
Photoshop.
You're
Look,
you
in the video, we can
Photoshop-
just Photoshop them. You know, we can put the soundtrack of Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge and we can just Photoshop all this in the background. Nobody goes to wedding to look at the surroundings anyway. They go to bitch and eat food and that's it.
Okay, then
But
why are
on
you
the
charging
video-
me so much for the surroundings?
For the video.
We should just do the wedding.
No. The video is going to have unparalleled, what do you call it, value. Yeah.
Oh,
the
you-
production value of the video, it'll be like $1 million.
Are you
And I'm
here
only
for the
charging you
wedding venue or
$25,000.
you're the videographer, you making anything up?
I
Do
am
you
the
have any
planner
shame?
with, I have
You
the
have any
overview. I am the director.
You're the
You know what?
What?
They have a symphony and they have a conductor, right? So I am the conductor.
You are crazy.
यानी कि
I need
जादूगर,
a proper
समझे?
beautiful venue for my son's wedding.
अरे,
Do you
don't
understand?
judge a
You
book by
think
its
I'm scared
cover.
of throwing a big
नहीं,
wedding?
नहीं, नहीं, नहीं.
You think the Gavaskars cannot have a big wedding?
Where, you want big wedding?
Yes.
We can get the Thunderbirds to fly over and spray queer colors. Yeah.
Queer
That will make the
colours?
boys happy.
No,
Why?
you don't worry about my boys' happiness. Okay, you worry about bringing me a proper venue where my guests will be impressed.
Look at
Why
this.
I'm throwing the wedding? For the guests to do Photoshop in the background?
No, for the happiness of your children.
No, I'm doing it to impress my friends.
Then you need, that's very big, precisely.
They're not going to. What is this? What is this?
It's history.
History.
It shows that we as brown people are connected to the nature. You know, we all came from Kisan. You know, when you look back in our history, we were all farmers. Our ancestors were farmers.
Say any nonsense.
What
Who has
nonsense?
given you? Is this even a licensed job, being a wedding planner,
Now
or
you're doubting my
anybody? You
integrity.
wake
know
up
what?
one day, you're like,
you know what?
you're a wedding planner.
You go and have the
Oh.
wedding where you had your daughter's wedding. I know.
Okay,
I heard
you-
all the dirt on that.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
see,
I heard how
knew
you
it.
skimped.
I-
How your
oh,
husband
I
skimped on
knew.
every way, cut corners.
I knew
know.
that
I know.
inside your heart
Listen,
there is all this
go
hatred.
back. What,
We
hatred
heard
for
it.
what?
See,
Hatred?
against the Gavaskars. You are racist,
You know,
homophobic against the Gavaskars.
Sunil Gavaskar was my favorite cricket player.
What is this background? Look at these flowers are all dead. Even the buffaloes don't want to roam over here. What kind of venue you've brought me
We
to?
don't have buffaloes here. This is
Okay,
not India.
okay.
We have cows.
I want
And the cows are
beautiful-
resting in the heat.
This is garbage. What you brought us. These flowers
What
are
garbage?
so. What
I
is
brought
happening
you a
here?
venue which is open air. Post-pandemic, it's very difficult to find a venue that is so open
You are
that
a
people
doctor
can breathe.
also now. You are a doctor
No,
also
I'm not a
now.
doctor.
You're
I'm
a
taking
pandit,
care.
You're a doctor. You know
I
how to
am
do
taking
everything.
care of your children's good
You
interest.
don't take care of my
Of
children.
course
I'm
I do
here to
because
take care of my
otherwise
children.
people will not come to the wedding
I
because it's a
need-
homo wedding and they will
Oh,
say
again
the air is
with
going
the
to kill
homo.
us.
What is wrong with you?
In a clean environment, they get clean air.
You
They will
stop
not be
saying the
homophobic.
word hobo. Stop saying it.
But then what would you like
You
me to
have
say?
any refinement? Shame?
Refinement?
Nobody uses
Look
that
at
word
this.
anymore.
Look, I'm wearing a
Oh
Rolex.
my
What
God, you're
refinement?
stupid. This is
Look
fake.
at this gold. It's
This
Dubai
is-
gold.
This
Okay?
is fake. Everybody
42
knows
carat,
this
not 32 carat. 42 carat Dubai gold. You're calling me refinement.
Great cut. We're good. Congratulations. We've gotten everything we could possibly need. That was, that was so